What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to add sections to your YouTube video. So I was just watching some YouTube videos and I stumbled across this one that had specific sections, as you can see in the play bar right here. So I thought this was pretty cool and I did some research into it, and it's this new feature called YouTube chapters. So the issue with this one feature is that it doesn't work on all channels. So personally on my Tech Tips channel, this feature doesn't work, and I think it's just because it was just recently released and it's only on a couple channels, or I don't know what the percentage is, but I'm sure in the future it's going to work on all channels. I'm not too stressed about it, but thankfully I have my old channel that it actually does work on. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this real quick. So how to get these chapters is you want to go to the top right here on your channel and then click YouTube Studio. Close these two tabs. Now this is a channel I used to record CSGO gameplay on back in the day, but hey, the feature works on it, so why not? And then I'm going to go to videos. Okay, so I'm going to go on a video that I want to add chapters to. So I'm going to go to this one, P90 Glacier Mesh. Okay, so how you add chapters is you go to the description here and you start typing some timestamps. And most importantly, you need to have the 000 timestamp for this feature to work. So I'm going to title this one Intro, and then I'm going to do 035 test, 055 chapter, and then 220 outro. Now another important step, these are the requirements. So you need to have 00 at the start of your chapters, and the chapters have to be at least 10 seconds long, and you have to have at least 3, otherwise this won't work at all. So I have 4 here and they're all at least 10 seconds long, so this should work. Once you're done with your chapters, you click save, and then you go to your video on YouTube. So I'm just going to go here. And boom, here are my new chapters: intro, test, chapter, outro. You can just change the timestamps to make them fit your video exactly, but I just did it as an example here. So that is how you use YouTube's new feature, chapters. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.